BeCoach.
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 I chose BeCoach.
I chose BeCoach Academy because I wanted to be part of an inspiring community and learn from authentic leaders.
I chose BeCoach because when I met the founders, I immediately felt at home.
I chose BeCoach Academy because of our incredible and nurturing instructors.
Hashtag be awesome.
Awesome year. Yeah. We're all fantastic. Spirit is everywhere. Good energy.
Yeah.
Inspiration and excitement.
Whole body, yes.
Joy.
Lightness and joy.
James Bond.
Love.
Serenity.
Why not?
You're not easy.
On our walk. Yeah.
Crocodile. Cheers.
Yeah, I choose BeCoach because it feels like a family, not like a school.